Jake, is it my voice clearly, everyone? Tati, Viola, Sugi, Dewi, Musa, and Camila, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, some of you have announced the voice, so I can start the class, ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. I hope you are in good situation and may Allah blesses you wherever you are. So let's open our lesson today by praying Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, Alhamdulillah. Oh, okay. Thank you for coming and joining the Kipo class from Awesom Private's program speaking class. So I do believe with all of you who attend this class, which is various of intentions actually. So now you know what I mentioned you in the first beginning about the various of intention. Ya, jadi berbagai jenis niat yang teman-teman di sini hadir buat masuk ke Kipo class program yang dibuat dari Western Driver. Let me introduce you everyone. I'm Mulyansa. You can call me Kak Ian, and I'm from Depok. Yeah, I'm as your English tutor in this opportunity. Will bring you how long this program will give you higher benefits actually. Yeah. Jadi dalam kesempatan ini Kak Ian selaku English tutor teman-teman di Kipo Class will present you everything what you need actually. So I know you are not patient with what I had mentioned at all. So let's check it out. Yeah. As I mentioned in the first beginning, seperti yang Kak Ian mention di awal ya, apa itu Kak Ian? Ya, tentang K-pop class program. Ya. Actually, K-pop class itu punya program, everyone. So I do believe you guys had many kinds of targets ya. Kalian punya berbagai jenis target, and I do believe not at all have you in the same target. I do believe in that. So let's introduce you about Kipo class, main program, main vocabulary. Submattery will be about present tense and to be. Uh, clarification. The submattery is one of that program actually, and pronunciation practice, and will be end to Q&A and the feedback. Yeah. So let's check it out. The introduction. Seperti yang Kak Ian bilang di awal, I do believe you are here, you are all here actually still curious about what is Kipo class program, Kak Ian. What the Kipo class program is it? Actually, it gives the chance to study English language in low level till high level based on their intention. Let's talk about the pronunciation. Let's talk about the tenses. Let's talk about the grammar. That's all about you. We give you a chance to study English language in low level. Yeah, in the basic actually, in English basic, like yeah, like A, B, C, how to pronounce in that way, vowel sound, consonant sound, and everything. Yeah. Also, actually, I teach you in any basic of that language like speaking, reading, listening, and writing. Jadi kalian tuh in a basic way, teman-teman akan dipengaruhi dari speakingnya, akan dipengaruhi dari readingnya, akan dipengaruhi dari listeningnya, dan juga writingnya. That's it. Also, selain daripada tadi yang Kak Ian mention tentang in the basic of English, kalian juga akan diajak tentang memorizing vocabulary and English conversation are a must. Why? According to my experience, sebagai pengalamannya Kak Ian dari program kelas, ya, memorizing vocabulary itu nggak lepas, even for English conversation itself. Karena to build a good communication and make them to be adapted with our mother tongue, with our fluent, with our accent, it needs memorizing vocabulary and also the culture's English conversation itself. Jadi untuk mengurangi kebiasaan aksen yang mungkin punya gaya daerah bahasanya teman-teman masing-masing ya, itu memang perlu selalu dilatih dari English conversation, also memorizing vocabulary. That's it. Jadi dua modal basic ini kalau tidak diperketat dalam diri teman-teman, ya, you will never get it. You will never be. That's it. Also, the main program, ya, kalian programnya apa sih di Kipo Class itu? It has 40 chapters, more than 40 chapters, everyone. More than 40 chapters, you will study everything about English, like myself, family trees, daily routine, what else? Debate, also the weather informations and everything. The chapters will impact your English development actually. Also, with a lot of thing, this program, this is already considered ya, jadi udah dipertimbangkan dengan baik gitu. But with all of the program, it depends on the preparation of the program actually. Jadi walaupun 40 chapter, tapi kalau misalkan you guys only have a chance kayaknya aku mampunya 10 ya, that's how long you can feel it, the change ya. Itu seberapa lama juga kamu bisa rasakan perubahannya ya. Kalau pendek ya sebegitulah perubahan yang kamu dapatkan. Kalau panjang sebegitulah yang kamu bisa rasakan perubahan. That's it. Also, English conversation. The program is not only what I have mentioned about the chapters, also about English conversation, submaterial grammar and tenses, reading section, and others. That's it. Yeah. So, well, yeah. That's all about the main program, yeah, about the Kipo class. Yeah. So, is there any question, everyone, tentang main program Kipo class and the introduction of Kipo class itself? Ada pertanyaan sebelum masuk ke main vocabulary of Kipo class? Ada pertanyaan?
Okay. What day is it?
No. Okay, thank you. So please focus with a slide. As you see this slide, it shows all of you about the main vocabulary. The instruction is, I want some of you to help me reading based on the vocabulary, like vocabulary name. Nama, my name is Melissa, until at the end of the point. Do you understand the instruction? Jadi instruksinya adalah kalian minta tolong teman-teman yang mungkin kalian mention namanya itu membaca vocabulary yang sudah kalian sediakan di slide, like seperti name, nama, my name is Melissa sampai ke bawah. That's it. Buat apa kalian? I want to hear your accent, your pronunciation, and your reading skill actually. Okay, prepare yourself. I will call the names. Marsha, can you hear me, Marsha?
Fine,
Marsha, can you hear me?
dalam Bang,
Hello, Marsha.
nyubin Andre.
Marsha, can you hear me? Okay, I changed the name. Edi Susanto.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, Edi, please read me the vocabulary name.
What? Sorry.
Please read me the vocabulary name. Dan minta tolong kalian bacakan vocabulary name.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
My name is Edi Santo. Okay. My
That's
name
it.
is Melissa.
Yeah.
Is 15 years.
Yeah.
My friend's hobby is playing basketball.
Yeah.
Address is Petrimura Street, number 97 South Jakarta. Our
Yeah.
favorite color is green. He likes a cake a lot. They dislike your performance. She has a family. I live in Landhouse. Rosas to studies hard for final exam.
Okay, that's a very good, Eddie, but I will fix your pronunciation. Is it okay, Eddie? I will fix your pronunciation.
Pronunciation, okay.
Okay, the last vocabulary about study, yeah. Repeat after me, Eddie. Exam,
Exam.
exam.
Oh, Rosa studies hard for final exam.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Not exam, yeah, exam
Exam.
actually. That, the middle. Thank you, Eddie. Very good. Yeah, I love the pronunciation. Yeah, keep it way. Yeah, keep it up.
Thank
Actually, keep
you,
it up your
Mr.
pronunciation performance. So very good. Well, because Eddie already show you the sample, everyone. Maybe I'm calling one-to-one only. Yeah. So reading only the vocabularies that I mentioned. Well, I'm starting to call. What is the right hand? There is the right hand actually. I see the right hand. I don't see the right hand. Okay, Aura Jahat. Oh my God. Aura. Okay. Read me the
Bed Allah.
vocabulary name. The vocabulary name, Aura.
Like all of them, sir.
Yeah, only this sentence. Read me only this sentence.
Okay, my name is Melissa.
Okay, very good. Yeah, it's clearly good. Yeah, thank you, Aura. Next, Nadifa. Read me the vocabulary age. Nadifa, please, you already raised your hand, actually. Okay, you lower your hand. Okay, Arsifa, please open your mic. Arsifa, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay,
Yeah.
Arsifa, please read me the vocabulary age only.
Okay. Okay. The age? Her age is 25 years old.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's quite good. Thank you. I hear your pronunciations
Okay.
well. Thank you,
Thank you.
Arsifa. Keep your pronunciations up. Yeah. Next, Imelda.
Yes.
Imelda. Okay, Imelda, please read me the vocabulary hobby.
Okay. My friend's hobby is playing basketball.
Wow. Okay. He sounds different from you, yeah. Okay, Imelda, that's quite good actually. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next, Fatih, please read me the vocabulary favorite. Fatih.
Apa suara aku berbeda?
No, it's fine. It's fine, Fatih. It's fine.
Sorry, it's not me.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Fatih. Are you male? I'm sorry.
Yes, I am Mel.
Okay, thank you. Fatih, please read me the vocabulary address.
Kurang nggak apa-apa, asal
Baik.
jangan kerudung, asal jangan jam, asal jangan sepatu, asal jangan tas.
Sorry.
Okay. No, it's okay, Fatih. Go,
My
keep.
address is Timura Street, number 77,
Ah,
number
jangan
number
ngomongin
97, South Jakarta.
Okay. Fatih, maybe I can fix your pronunciation. Is it okay?
Ketemu orang sekelas.
Okay. Repeat after me, Fatih. South.
South.
No, don't too O. Jangan terlalu O banget sih. South. South Jakarta.
South. South.
Okay. South.
South.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Next, by the name, yeah, for Albima Raka. Can you open your mic, Albima? Albima, I'm sure I'm calling you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Albima, please read me the vocabulary favorite.
Our favorite color is green.
Okay, it sounds interesting of your pronunciation. Thank you. Next, Arnilham. Arnilham _01. Yeah, thank you. You open your mic. Please read me the vocabulary like.
He likes a cake a lot.
I hear the mad dog here. Okay, it's a quite good enough ya. Mungkin dari situ kalian bisa make sure Anilham ya. Always train yourself to reading section. to read section actually. Thank you. Next, Dwi Nabila. Dwi Nabila, hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good. Dwi Nabila, please read me the vocabulary dislike.
They dislike your performance.
Good. Yeah, thank you, Dwi Nabila. Okay. Next, Gandhi, read me the vocabulary family.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah.
Family. She is a family.
Can you repeat again, please? I want to hear.
Okay. A family. She has a family.
Okay, I hear now. Jangan terlalu didorong banget hasnya. She has. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, just a common, biasa aja. She has. That's it.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I really appreciate with your effort. Okay, thank you. Next, I'm calling Rian. I don't know why Mel so active right now. Rian, hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, Rian, please read me the vocabulary live.
Live. Okay. I live in rent house.
Okay, can you repeat, please?
Okay. I live in rent house.
That's good. That's good. Thank you, Rian.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next, Lysandra. Lysandra, you can open your mic now. Please read me the vocabulary study.
Rosa studies hard for final exam.
Okay, your exam, yeah. Please, everybody here, yeah. I call all of you, repeat after me, everyone, yeah. Everyone, yeah. Exam,
Exam.
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 Yeah. I hear you. Oh no, Imelda, can you do again?
Exam.
Again, Imelda.
Exam.
Nah, that's it. Yeah, exam. Actually, don't you guys to pronounce exam. Actually, terlalu s banget. Actually, the middle of x you pronounce exam. Actually, thank you, Imelda. You make it more better than me.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is all about the main vocabulary that you will meet at the first class later ya. Jadi kayak gini nanti bentukan main vocabulary-nya. Kalian pendek-pendek, ya I know it pendek, tapi dari short sentence ini kalian bisa dengar ada yang beberapa aksennya masih medok, ada yang ditekan banget bagian dadanya tadi sempat, dan ada yang udah kelihatan is not basic. Ada beberapa di sini yang kalian ngerasa kalian nggak cuma basic di sini, tapi lebih ke more than native, I think. But let's see, yeah. Okay, we go to next slide ya, about the submateri. As I mentioned in the first beginning, Kak Ian present all of you about the present tense. Ada yang tahu apa itu present tense? Kira-kira kind of the tenses actually, they telling the time. Ya.
Tenses yang digunakan untuk saat ini, untuk kejadian saat ini atau yang sedang berlangsung atau rutinitas ataupun fakta atau kebenaran umum.
Atau fakta atau kebenaran hukum. Okay, it's a very completely ya. But is there any different idea or different opinion based on your friend's explanation? Ada yang pengen beda mungkin? Eddie, do you wanna try it?
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, how do you think about the present tense itself?
Same the opinion. Just want to say the condition right now.
Okay, that's it. Actually,
Habits.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
go
it's
to habits.
Yeah, it goes to habit actually for the present tense. It goes to habit. It happens in a day, actually, in a day, guys. Or today or present day, actually. Not ongoing. Jadi tadi sempat your friend mention about yang sedang terjadi. is not sedang actually. They still on saat gitu, tapi nggak memakai sedang kalau diterjemahin. Kayak kok susah banget sih ngejelasinnya. Karena kalau sedikit saja kalian salah mentafsirkan present tense ke kalian, nanti kalian akan menyamakannya. Karena kalau yang buat sedang terjadi, itu ada tenses yang berbeda. Let's say present continuous. Kalau teman-teman pernah dengar present continuous, that how you say sedang terjadi. But another way, untuk membedakan keduanya itu, perlu kalian ketahui bahwa mereka punya namanya nouns dan verbs. Ada yang tahu nouns sama verbs?
Nouns
Dwi?
kata benda, verbs kata kerja.
Absolutely ya. Nouns itu kata benda atau kalian bilangnya kata keterangannya, dan verbs itu memang kata kerjanya. Nah, untuk mengetahui keduanya ini, kalian perhatikan di bagian rumusan yang kalian buat ya. Dari to be-nya, yang sudah kalian letakkan dari am, are, is. Am, are, dan is. Ya. Ini jangan sampai kalian semua yang hadir hari ini terkecoh gitu, atau terbalik-balik. In another basic ya, kadang dalam pelatihan speaking, sulitnya adalah menentukan pronouns. Ya. Bukan pronunciation ya, pronouns itu yang subjeknya itu yang I, me, you, they, them gitu. Untuk melatih itu kadang butuh pembiasaan. That's it. Bahkan kalian bisa make sure teman-teman akan kesulitan banget memakai pronouns ketiga kayak he, she, it gitu, or calls another person's way to say that so actually. Ya, itu memang gak gampang dan memang sering harus dilatih seperti itu. Jadi untuk membedakan nouns dan verbs yang seperti yang Kak Ian bilang dan teman-teman tadi adalah di bagian to be ini gitu. Seperti contoh untuk noun sendiri ya, she is in the kitchen, we are not sick today, are you jealous? That's it. Untuk to be-nya sudah Kak Ian pisahkan ya, seperti ini pada slide yang teman-teman lihat ya. Dan untuk verbs-nya ya, itu bisa teman-teman lihat kayak he knows everything. Nah, let's talk about kayak verb one yang ini. Nah, kalau untuk verb one seperti ini, ya, untuk he, she, it sendiri memang dispesialkan agar menjadi perbedaan seperti itu. Kalau belakangnya di luar dari belakang huruf yang seperti ini, ya, kayak belakang kayak gini ya, atau mungkin kayak gini belakangnya, atau mungkin belakangnya kayak gini. Nah, kalau perubahan seperti ini, ada yang bisa bantu tulisannya harusnya seperti apa kalau ditambahin das yang seperti yang kalian kasih di bawah ini? Nah, kalian kasih warna dulu biar teman-teman fokus. Nah, untuk membentuk seperti ini bagaimana caranya bikinnya?
Motor ya ke bawah.
Ada yang bisa bantu cara bikinnya tadi? Kalian masih bingung soalnya instruksinya. Oke, let me show you. Oke. Nah, kalau tadi ya, untuk dibikin jadi verb one yang kalian kasih merah ini ya, dia kalau untuk huruf Y itu memang harus ditambahin is ya, seperti ini. Kalau washes atau belakang hurufnya itu SH, itu ditambahkan cuma dua huruf, yaitu IS. Kalian sama nggak yang di bawah CH ini sama? Dia IS aja, ya. Jadinya ya seperti ini, washes ya, washes atau yang sebawahnya watches. Kalau di luar daripada ini ya kayak gini misalkan now ya, land aja lah ya, land. Ya simple jadinya kayak gini aja. Jadi kesimpulannya apa Kak Ian? Kesimpulannya adalah kalau di belakang hurufnya the last letter is Y atau belakang hurufnya ini W, maka akan berubah menjadi IES seperti ini. Perlu diingat ya, silakan di screenshot. Kemudian kalau misalkan belakang hurufnya SH berarti ditambahkan IS gitu. Ataupun CH itu ditambahkan IS. Nah, di luar daripada yang Kak Ian rumuskan seperti ini ya, itu cukup ditambahin S saja seperti itu. Oke, is there any question everyone? Ada pertanyaan?
I think that's enough.
Okay, very good ya. So let's move to the next slide. Kita masuk ke next selanjutnya, yakni tentang to be-nya sendiri. Nah, ini yang perlu diperhatikan. Sejatinya to be itu tahu nggak teman-teman apa? Sejatinya to be itu seperti apa sih? To be itu sebenarnya menurut pendapat teman-teman? How do you think about the to be?
Kata bantu.
Oke, absolutely correct ya, betul banget. Dia tuh to be-nya sebenarnya kata bantu. Kayak nggak ada lagi yang buat pas sama future dan lain-lain, ada kok. Cuma kalian pengen fokus, kita masih pembahasannya present tense ya. Jadi memang kalian arahin ke present dulu, biar nggak kemana-mana pikirannya. And now you know the to be is kata bantu. I would like to inform you how is it going to be. Temporary time itu sejatinya dalam bahasa Inggris cuma ada 3, tapi anakannya memang banyak. Apa temporary time-nya Kak Ian? Kalau yesterday is past, today is present,
Future.
future
Past
is
future.
ya, future is future. Ya. Tomorrow is future actually.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is future. Jadi bicara buat yang kemarin atau kejadiannya beberapa waktu lalu itu pas. Ya. Terus kalau berbicara kejadian hari ini yaitu present day atau present. Kalau berbicara kejadian di selanjutnya atau hari esok atau beberapa abad kemudian ke depan gitu. Nah, itu future ya. Sedikit info, kalian percaya di sini teman-teman sudah terbiasa banget dengan tenses. Kalian percaya. Kalian sedikit info perbedaan penggunaan dalam past tense semuanya dan present perfect ya. Present perfect sama past tense tuh mirip-mirip kan? Tapi penggunaan mereka itu ketepatannya aja yang beda. Ketepatannya kayak gimana Kak Ian? Kalau present perfect itu kejadian yang sudah kita lakukan, tapi yang terjadi hari ini gitu loh. Kayak I have eaten my food misalkan. Itu salah satu contoh yang dia sudah melakukannya, tapi yang kejadiannya hari ini gitu. Tapi kalian bisa nggak pakai yang past tense? Masih bisa. Ya. Cuma present perfect itu dikategorikan sebagai kalau orang native bilang ya itu benar-benar sudah dilakukan gitu. Kayak it mostly serious actually. That's it. Nah, kita kembali ke to be ya. Jadi to be yang benar dibilang teman kamu tadi ya, kata bantu. Itu ada beberapa hal di sini yang sudah kalian letakin. Ini kita nggak perlu bahas ini lagi ya. Kalian udah tahu, kalian semua udah hafal. Yang ini yang tadi sempat sudah kalian spill di awal ya. Ini sudah kalian perbedakan. Kalau do simple, kenapa do bisa ada is ya? Karena ya itu tadi belakang hurufnya. Salah satunya ya, lupa ketinggalan untuk kalian spill. Terus untuk yang to be yang lain kayak have sama has ya. Ini sudah kalian bedakan. To have, to has ya. Atau to belong, mereka sama. To belong, have sama has itu sama aja memiliki. I belong you, I have you ya sama aja. She belongs me, she has mine ya sama aja. That's it. Untuk contohnya kayak gimana sih kayaknya contohnya? So I will show you the examples. Kayak does she eat my food? People go away from your house. Kenapa di sini people go away bukan people goes away?
Karena subjeknya plural.
Iya, Imelda, can you repeat please?
My opinion, that it's not
A verb?
It's not a verb. Yeah, I do believe it's not a verb, but what it makes people go away, not goes away.
Because people is not um singular. People is plural. So it means
Okay, absolutely correct. Yeah, very good. Yeah, I do agree with that. People is plural, or let's say pronouns they ya. Jadi dia itu people pronouns-nya they. Ya. Kalau Andi doesn't has money, kenapa Andi doesn't has money? Bukan Andi don't have money.
because Andy is singular.
Oke, very good ya, Evelyn. Memang dia singular atau
Who's
pronouns-nya itu
Evelyn?
he ya. Kalau misalkan ada dua orang di situ, Andi dan Amelia, apakah masih doesn't have atau don't have?
Don't have.
Don't,
Oke.
doesn't.
Oke, the reason is still same ya, pronouns they atau mereka plural. Oke, jadi seperti ini penggunaannya. Jangan sampai nanti udah dikasih kayak gini ya kan. Ada aja masih have you pencil, nggak bisa kayak gitu, nggak boleh. Udah dipakai to be yang kayak do, yang mereka sudah masih membutuhkan do. Ya, itu in the present way, ya. In the present way, the tenses, the formula itself, they still do or does for the interrogative things ya. Untuk kalimat tanya, interrogative, or even for the negative, mereka masih membutuhkan do ataupun doesn't. Does actually. That's it. Gitu. Yeah, that's all about that's all about the present tense and to be. Is there any question, everyone, before we are going to reading section? Yes,
I would
Aura?
like to ask you.
Well, I'm hearing.
Okay, so this is an interesting topic, especially when you come to high school. I learn new things to I think it's about the verb. No, it's about the to be. What if the subject is like all of them, or probably like one of the teachers, and it's apa ya, nggak ada namanya gitu, sir, malah kayak bentuknya panjang gitu, misalnya kayak thousand of whales in the sea is atau are kayak gitu-gitu. I think it's really challenging for me.
Okay, it's a very unpredictable question ya. Okay, unpredictable question actually. Okay, let me help you, Aura. Ya, benar banget. In a long sentence on the subject, ya. Jadi kita masuknya tuh ke possessive pronoun itu. Kalau atau dia juga masuk ke possessive preposition atau preposition possessive. Nah, itu kalau udah masuk ke a long sentence of the subjects, only for subject doang yang dipanjangin 1,000 mile of ocean misalkan. Nah, itu kembali lagi ke kalimat awalnya seperti apa, gitu. Apakah of-nya di sini di akhir kalimatnya, ya. Kalau fokus ke dalam setelah of-nya itu jangan kamu berpikir, don't think that will be as to be as singular, as to be as a plural. Jadi akan sangat bergantung dengan of yang diletakkan. Kayak 1,000 miles of ocean. Walaupun oceannya nggak pakai s ya, tapi karena udah di depannya 1,000 miles of ocean, ya, itu absolutely will be are. That's it. Kalau misalkan masuknya kembali lagi ke kalimat yang digunakan dalam penyusunannya, itu masuk kategorinya preposition of possessive ya. Pernah dengar preposition nggak teman-teman di sini? Aura, have you heard about the preposition possessive?
I haven't, sir.
Okay. That's how I introduce you about the preposition of possessive. Jadi preposition possessive itu ya penggunaan of ya ataupun tanda petik s memang akan sangat bergantung bagaimana meletakkannya. Based on the singular or based on the first sentences is singular or plural, it depends on the book. Jadi akan bergantung di situ. It is clearly enough, Aura?
Yes, sir.
Udah.
I will get along with the material.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Aura. Is there anything, guys, before I move to the next slide?
Sir, I want to add.
Okay, Dwi, might I help you with that?
Kalau misalnya kan misalnya subjeknya tuh singular,
belum.
kata kerjanya itu misal ada dua, misalnya contohnya tuh kayak gini, dia sedang makan dan minum. Nah itu bagaimana?
Oh, dia, pronouns apa? Subjeknya satu, tapi kata kerjanya dua.
Iya.
Oke, subjeknya satu, tapi kata kerjanya dua kan, Dwi?
Iya, sir. Cek itu.
Cukup pakai conjunction aja atau kata sambung and. She eats and drink. She eats and drink actually. Pakai conjunction aja, kata sambung. That's it. Is it clearly in? Tapi apakah ya, tapi tetap kayak she eats and drinks. That's it.
Oh.
Tetap. Walaupun subjeknya cuma satu, tapi tetap kepake anunya. Yang S tadi, yang kalian sempat spill di awal. Bagus tuh pertanyaannya. Ini juga berlaku buat teman-teman. Semisal subjeknya cuma satu kalian, tapi aku pengen banget ngutakin kata kerjanya dua. Apakah tetap akan ada S di belakangnya? Selalu. It always be. It always be. That's it. Is there enough, Dwi?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, very wonderful. Yeah. Next, I move to next slide. Yeah, about the reading section. Yeah, the reading section is about myself. Ya, jadi reading section kita hari ini cukup sangat common and basic. Ya. But based on all of you here, yeah, let me call the names for being as a center. Imelda, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Imelda. Well, Imelda, please help me to read this article of myself. And please, some of you keep silent and put all of you ear together through Imelda will read this article about myself. Are you ready, Imelda?
Yes, but
Hello, my name is I am
Yeah, you read a lot actually, from the hello until my dreams.
okay.
Okay.
Myself.
Hello, and
I am 16 years old, and I live in Jakarta, Indonesia. I am a student at senior high school. I love learning new things, especially English. I wake up early every day and go to school with my friends. I have a small my
family.
father works as a teacher, and my mother is a doctor. I also have one younger sister. She likes to play with her toys, and we often play together after school. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and listening to music. My favorite books is about adventure stories because they make me excited. I also like to watch movies, especially cartoons. At school, I study many subjects. My favorite subject is English because I want to speak fluently. I always practice speaking with my friends and teachers. Sometimes I write simple stories in English to improve my skills. I am a friendly and happy person. I like meeting new people and making friends. In the future, I hope to become a teacher so I can help others learn just like my father. I believe that with hard work, I can achieve my dreams.
Okay, it's a very wonderful, Imelda, for your performance of pronunciation, also your reading skill. Yeah, I do love it. Thank you, Imelda, for your helping.
You're welcome.
Well, now you know everyone about the pronunciation of this article about myself. Yeah, prepare yourself. I'm calling your names. Yeah, but based on the right hand. Yeah. Okay, starting to call Enrico. Enrico, can you open your mic, please?
All right, Mister.
Now you know, okay? Please read me from hello, my name is Alex until especially in English and translate me into bahasa.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Myself. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm 15 years old. I live in Jakarta, Indonesia. I'm a student at senior high school. I love learning new things, especially English. I wake
Okay.
up early every day and go to school with my friends.
Done. It's done. Okay, take it slow, Arnil. Okay, give me the translation from your reading.
Halo, nama saya Alex.
Yeah, good.
Aku berumur 15 tahun
Yeah,
dan aku tinggal di Jakarta, Indonesia.
okay.
Aku seorang siswa SMA. Aku cinta belajar sesuatu yang baru, khususnya bahasa Inggris.
Okay, that's a very good. Yeah, thank you. Wow.
Satu lagi, aku bangun lebih awal setiap hari dan pergi ke sekolah dengan teman-teman saya.
Okay, very good for the additional. Thank you for your service.
Okay.
Next, I'm calling Dwi Nabila. Can you open your mic, Dwi?
Yes.
Okay, please read me from I have a small family until play together after school and don't forget give me the translation.
I have a family. My father works as a teacher and my mother is a doctor. I also have one younger sister. She likes to play with her toys and we often play together after school. Aku memiliki keluarga kecil. Ayahku bekerja sebagai guru dan ibuku bekerja sebagai seorang dokter. Aku juga memiliki satu adik perempuan. Dia suka bermain dengan mainannya dan kami sering bermain bersama setelah sekolah.
Wow, good, Dwi. Thank you for your service. Next, I'm calling Gandhi.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Gandhi, please read me from in my free time until especially cartoons and don't forget to give me the translation.
Okay, sir. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and listening to music. My favorite book is about adventure story because they make me excited. I also like to watch movies especially cartoons. Saat waktu luang, saya menikmati membaca buku dan mendengarkan musik. Buku favorit saya tentang cerita petualangan karena mereka membuat saya bersemangat. Saya juga suka menonton video, khususnya kartun.
Gandhi,
Yes, sir.
this is your first class, isn't it?
Yes, kelas.
Ya, ini kelas pertamamu atau you are in the first page?
Sudah lama.
That's it. I know you. I still realize your name actually, Gandhi. I know this voice actually. Okay, you still in here ya, Gandhi. Thank you for your loyalty ya. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Gandhi. Next, I'm calling Albima.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Albima, please read me from at school until speaking with my friends and teachers. Also, don't forget to give me a translation.
Okay. At school, I study many subjects. My favorite subject is English because I want to speak fluently. I always practice speaking with my friends and teachers. Di sekolah, saya belajar banyak pelajaran. Favorit pelajaran saya yaitu Inggris, karena saya ingin berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan lancar. Saya selalu berlatih berbicara dengan temanku dan guru-guru. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, Albima, actually, can you say because?
Because.
Okay, again, please. Because.
Because.
Okay, it's more soft ya, lebih bagus kayak gitu. Thank you, Bima. Next, I'm calling Hari Febrian. Hari Febrian, can you open your mic, please, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hari, please read me from sometimes until I like meeting new people and making friends.
Okay, sir. Sometimes I write simple stories in English to improve my skills. And I'm a friendly and happy person. I like meeting new people and making friends.
The translation, please, Febrian. I want to know.
Terkadang saya menulis cerita pendek dalam bahasa Inggris untuk mengembangkan skill saya. Saya adalah orang yang ramah dan menyenangkan. Saya senang bertemu dengan orang baru dan menjalin pertemanan.
Okay.
That's right, sir.
Febrian. Okay, Febrian, I just give you a little bit fixing pronunciation. Is it okay, Febrian?
Okay.
Okay, Febrian, repeat after me, please. Person.
Present.
Sambil senyum aja. Person.
Person.
Good. Again, person.
Person.
Okay, coba baca lengkap. Happy person.
Ibu present.
Happy person.
Okay, good. Don't say happy person ya. Don't say that word. Just say happy person. Thank you. Well,
Thanks, sir.
next I'm calling Muhammad Yusuf.
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad Yusuf, do as
Yeah.
the last paragraph from in the future until I can achieve my dreams. And don't forget to give me the translation, Yusuf. Go ahead.
Yes. In the future, I hope to become a teacher so I can help others learn just like my father. I believe that with hard work, I can achieve my dreams. Di masa depan, aku berharap untuk menjadi seorang guru supaya aku bisa membantu orang lain seperti ayahku. Aku percaya dengan bekerja keras, aku dapat mencapai impianku.
Okay, Yusuf, are you from Banjarmasin or Kalimantan, Yusuf?
Kalimantan Selatan, di sekitar.
Okay, I heard your R was Betagar. It's okay, yeah, no problem. Oh my God. I'm actually from Kalimantan, Yusuf.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm the central Kalimantan, Kalteng. Yeah, no, okay. Thank you, Yusuf, for your short performance. Yeah, I don't hear any mistake. Yeah, that's good. That's good. All of you, semuanya udah bagus kok. Yang udah bantu kalian tadi buat reading sangat bagus ya. Imelda no comment karena as the center kalian dengarnya udah cukup bagus, quite good ya. Kenapa udah another level gitu. This is class basic actually, but I hope you guys nggak boring gitu dengan basic level. That's it. Thank you for all of your performance ya. Sekarang kita masuk ke pronunciation practice ya. This is the center I want to call is Dwi Nabila. Dwi Nabila, you can open your mic now. Please, Dwi Nabila, as the center, do pronunciation practice starting with nouns till verbs, yeah? And some of you, please keep silent. Dwi Nabila, go ahead.
Name, family, school, friend, hobby,
Wait, Dwi, wait. Can you do like this? I'm sorry, can you do like this? Name, family,
Name.
family. Take it slow. Just take it slow to make it them sure they can catch your pronunciation performance. Okay, go
Name.
ahead.
Name.
Hmm.
Family. School. Friend. Hobby. Dream. Language. Live. Study. Like. Play. Read. Write.
Okay, very good, Dwi. Thank you so much for your help. Yeah. Next, I need 4%, ya 4 orang. Prepare, get ready to call by the names Rian Ahmad. You can open your mic, Rian Ahmad.
Yeah, I'm here, sir.
Okay, Rian Ahmad, please do pronunciation practice in verb section. In verb section, please.
Okay, live, study, like, play, read, write, speak.
Okay, very good, Rian. Thank you. Lesandra, you can open your mic, please, Lesandra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lesandra, please do pronunciation practice in nouns section. In nouns section, please.
Oke. Yang mana?
This one, Lesandra, from name until language.
Oh, okay. Name, family, school, friend, hobby, dream, language.
Okay, Lesandra, I just fix your little pronunciation. Ya.
Okay.
Hobi jangan terlalu hobi banget. Hobby actually. Hobby. Again, please, Lesandra.
Hobby.
Okay, again, please.
Hobby.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you, Lesandra, for your helping. Okay,
Thank you.
the last calling, I'm calling Fauzia. Fauzia, you can open your mic, Fauzia.
Yes, Mr.
Fauzia, please do pronunciation practice in verbs section. In verbs section.
Section. Where is Mr.
Di bagian verbsnya. Dari live sampai speak.
Live, study, like, play, read, write, speak.
Okay, very good ya, Fauzia. Thank you, Fauzia.
Yes, thank you, Mr.
Okay, Albima Raka, you can open your mic, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Raka, please do pronunciation practice in nouns.
Name.
Yeah, in nouns until language. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Name, family, school, friend, hobby, dream, language.
Very good, Raka. Very good. Keep it your pronunciation performance up, yeah. Thank you. Well, to make it more better again, ya, untuk bikin lebih bagus lagi, I need help from Imelda. You can open your mic, Imelda.
Yes.
Well, Imelda, please do pronunciation practice a lot from nouns till verbs.
Okay. Name, family, school, friend, hobby, dream, language, live, study, like, play, read, write, speak.
Well done. Thank you, Dewi Nabila, Imelda, Rian, and who the names I call to do pronunciation practice. I have every single assessment, like reading section, pronunciation practice, also bring all of you to make a sentence into present tense will help you so much to improve and develop your English skill. Yeah. So, guys, in a last minutes, yeah, I still open the Q&A and another feedback if you, yeah, if you have any. Yeah. So, is there any question about the class today? Ada pertanyaan untuk kelas kita hari ini
Mister, I want to
tentang?
say,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want
Okay,
to
okay. What's the?
ask,
Yeah, okay. What's the question?
what's the function of the?
The function of the.
Right.
Oh,
Okay.
that's all. That's all the question.
Yes.
Okay, well, who knows here about the article a, and the? Siapa yang tahu tentang artikel itu? The article a, and the. Siapa yang tahu? Sebelum Kak Ian bantu. Ya. Okay.
Can you
Actually, yeah, Imelda, do you want to say something?
can you repeat the questions?
Okay, the question is, what does it mean the in English subject?
Oh,
That's it. Do you know?
let me think.
Okay, I give you a chance. Yang lain ada yang tahu? Okay, let me help you. Jadi itu masuknya ke materi artikel ya. Jadi dia dianakannya singular and plural, tapi dia masuk ke kategori singular. Tapi pembahasannya bukan dia itu harus singular, bukan dia itu harus plural. Karena dia nanyanya tentang the. Jadi the itu suatu bentuk kata artikel ya. Untuk menunjukkan benda itu kita sudah tahu. Entah itu jumlahnya, entah itu wujudnya, entah itu spesifik benda yang sudah kita tahu. Benar-benar sudah tahu. Contoh. The wallet. Do you see my wallet, everyone? Do you see my wallet? Kalian bisa lihat
Yes,
apa
I
dompetnya kalian?
Yeah.
I will call these things ya, the wallet. Why? Because all of you can see this wallet, or you can see the wallet on my hand.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I put it on my hand. Itu maksudnya. Benda penggunaan the itu, baik itu secara tulisan maupun penyebutan or speaking, itu sudah kita tahu bendanya. Kak Ian, ada term and conditionnya nggak? Nggak ada sih. Mau dia dipakai kayak
Ini gurunya.
the phones, ya nih, ini ada dua HP kan. The phones, HP ya kan. Ya udah, masih bisa kok. The phones or the straw yang strawnya cuma 1 biji gini, the straw masih bisa. Do you understand the answer? Jawabannya udah paham? Oke. Dia masuk the article. Article of A, article of N. That's it. Is there anything else? Ada lagi yang bertanya?
Sir, I have question.
I have a question.
Okay, I hear the first from who, the male's voice? The male's voice first. I'm sorry, the male's, sorry cowok tadi duluan siapa? Please mention
Yeah.
the name.
Sir.
Yeah, okay. What's your name, please? I don't know.
Berapa murid?
Yeah, mention the name. Nggak apa-apa. Namanya siapa tadi? Sorry. Albi Raka ya?
Altima Raka, sir.
Okay, Raka, what's the question, Raka?
So when we use voice about the and the, example, this wallet, wallet or the wallet, or
Oh, it depends on the necessary actually. Jadi tergantung kebutuhannya sih. Tergantung kalimat yang pengen kamu sampaikan. Even saat kamu bilangnya this wallet, ya is it okay? It's still okay. Tapi kalau udah bentuknya banyak kayak gini, kayak kamu nggak boleh pakai bilang this phone. Yang tulisannya tuh kayak gini ya. Sorry, I will give Kalian lemot banget, iya sama.
Uh,
Cowok. Oke, kalau bikinnya kayak gini ya, kan tadi HP-nya 2 ya. Kalau kayak gini salah, pasti akan kalian salahin. Tapi karena bendanya tadi kalian punya 2, jadi kayak gini. This phones, this phones, this phones. That's it. Tapi kalau udah masuknya letter the, kayak gini ya nggak akan berubah. Sorry.
Maksudnya pengucapannya gimana, sir? D atau D?
The
The.
phones.
The
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah, the. That's it. Yeah.
Kan dengar D ya, sir. Saya nggak kan gitu, sir.
Nggak akan bermasalah kok, Raka. Even you want to say this or the, ya tergantung term and conditionnya penggunaan itu. Kalau the kan dia fleksibel. Kalau the itu fleksibel. Kalau this ataupun this, ya itu tergantung bendanya singular atau plural gitu. Karena this sudah punya perubahan pluralnya, otomatis yang kalian bikin tadi yang kayak gini, ya this phones.
Berarti kalau soal pengucapan the atau D nggak penting juga ya, sir?
Nggak penting. Yang akan jadi penting itu kalau udah pakai yang ini tadi ya akan bergantung banget ke objeknya singular atau plural. Did you get it?
Okay, sir. I can. Thank you.
Well, the last question from who? Dwi Nabila, is that you? Oh, okay, Eddie Susanto, what's the question, Eddie?
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for your question. I want to ask how to use in, at, of, and on. Jadi sebenarnya saya bingung ya untuk menggunakan saat kita menggunakan in, at, of dengan on, gitu. Nah, jadi biasanya di alamat-alamat kayak gitu kan, nah itu juga sedikit kebingungan, sir.
Oke, itu masuk ke preposisi ya. Pernah dengar preposisi nggak sebelum kalian jelasin lebih jauh? Pernah dengar kira-kira? Edi pernah dengar nggak preposition? Pernah nggak?
Preposition belum mendalami.
Oke.
Cuma sekilas-kilas dalam kalimat aja.
Oke. Nah, it's okay. It's okay. Nah, kalau bicara soal in, on, at ya. Kalau of itu dia masuk preposition, tapi yang ke possessive atau kepemilikan atau benda yang mau dikaitkan 2 hal. Yang tadi sempat di-spill sama Aura, if I'm not mistake, ya itu salah satunya. Tapi kalian pengen kamu fokus ke in, at, sama on-nya ya. Kalau untuk in-nya, let's talk about in, itu biasanya untuk tempat ya, kayak atau juga salah satunya itu tempat yang dimaksud ya teritori ya, entah itu dia in London, in Europe, in the Alps, atau in the world ya. Jadi teritori di sini wilayahnya, paham? Untuk in-nya. Nah, even kamu mau spill in Indonesia masih, karena itu teritorinya of Indonesia. Untuk selain daripada itu, another object bisa kayak in the bag, in the classroom, in a box, masih. Karena benda tersebut punya ruangnya. Kayak bag, ada ruang dalamnya kan, that's it. Or in the classroom, ruangan dalam kelasnya kan, that's it. Jadi yang dia itu objek tapi ada space-nya. Ada ruang kosong di dalamnya. Maksudnya di situ untuk in-nya. Selanjutnya untuk car atau van. Tahu car nggak?
Apa kau goib?
Kalau
Kok antum
van
nggak
ya untuk kipas anginnya atau benda yang sudah dikategorikan untuk in itu sendiri. Nah, dan juga untuk water, jenis-jenis airnya ya, kayak in the sea, in a river, in a lake. Nah, water itu bisa digunakan untuk in-nya. That's it. Karena selain tadi dia objek yang ada space, ya, dia masuk di benda yang sangat luas. Pelan-pelan. Edi paham? Untuk di waternya. Jadi jenis air in masih bisa dipakai. Dan yang terakhir adalah print of the material, kayak in a book, ya, in a picture. Print material itu yang bendanya ada wujudnya, gitu. In a book, in a picture, in the newspaper, that's it.
Terus langsung ini.
Untuk in udah mulai paham sebelum kalian pindahkan ke on. Jadi kesimpulannya untuk in itu ya tadi ada benda yang ada space-nya kayak bank, classroom, terus territory, terus ada bisa digunakan jenis benda car atau van, terus jenis-jenis waters kayak lake, sea, terus river, ya. Kemudian swimming pool bisa kalian bisa in the swimming pool, that's it. Kemudian a printed material yang di print, ya, yang ada wujudnya kayak a book, a pictures, sama the news in the newspaper, that's it. Itu sudah digolongkan. Selanjutnya kita masuk ke on. Kalau on itu masuk ke surface, kayak on the table, on the carpet, on the roof, on the sofa. Tahu surface? Edi?
Surface.
Jadi bendanya itu memiliki posisi yang memang sudah sejatinya akan diletakkan di atasnya gitu, surface. That's it.
Oh.
Ya. Terus kayak floor, jenis floor ya kayak on the floor ya udah berarti floor itu, atau lantai itu on the floor absolutely. Terus on the right left ya, bukan in the right left ya, on the right left ya. Jadi kalau ada teman-teman yang turn in the light, enggak. Turn on the light, turn on the left gitu, pasti gitu. Kan memakai itu, the right sama left ya. Kemudian public transportation, on the bus, on the train, ya, on a plane. Ada lagi public transportation? Oke, itu ya. On the ship actually ya. Terus media kayak on the radio, on TV, ya, on the internet sama on the website. Kemudian untuk add-nya ya itu lebih ke point, maksudnya kayak strike the point kayak gitu. Strike the point itu maksudnya kayak tadi I study at school. Nah, langsung gitu berhubungan at itu dengan objeknya, dengan tempat yang pengen kita maksudkan. Itu at a point. Terus top, bottom, and off ya. At the bottom of bla 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 bla. Nih kita masuk ke yang off tadi ya kan. Dia masih bisa digabung. Ya. Tapi untuk penggunaan kayak at the bottom ya, and of at the bottom of the stair misalkan, atau at the bottom of the page. Gitu. Jadi at sama off ini kalian banyak banget anunya term on conditionnya ya, memang banyak. Jadi emang begitu, add in on ini nggak bisa sembarangan gitu. Bahkan kayak event Kamin aja, Kamin tuh bukan datang ke dalam ya, enggak. Kamin tuh silakan masuk. Kamin, masuk gitu. Bukan insert memasukkan ya, enggak. Kayak kan memasukkan insert ya, enggak. Oh, it's not that. Itulah kenapa mindset kita dalam bahasa Inggris ini juga berlaku buat teman-teman. Jangan berusaha mentranslate bahasa Inggris itu sama kayak bahasa Indo. Jangan sekali-sekali. Akan jadi kaku banget. Serius, akan kaku. Terus gimana kalian untuk menginisiasi hal tersebut? Adalah dengan kamu memperbanyak metafora bahasamu atau paraphrasing gitu. Jadi misal kayak take itu bukan selalu aslinya mengambil kok. Bukan selalu aslinya mengambil. Akan bisa menjadi I take this one, I take one, ya I take one tuh bukan selalu mengambil, bisa juga artinya mendapatkan, gitu. Jadi nggak selalu take itu mengambil, or even kalau orang casual ya akan selalu bilang, do you understand? Yes, I do, atau yes, I understand. Itu sangat visual banget kan. Kalau mereka akan selalu memakai, did you get it? You get the point? You get it? Gitu aja. You get it? Karena ya itu tadi metafora untuk bahasa Inggris tuh nggak sesederhana itu. Makanya even tadi yang sudah kalian spill di awal buat Edi ya tentang term and conditionnya in content, sebanyak itu. That's it. Pengen tahunya gimana Kak Ian? Follow this class more. That's it. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry ya. The time has come. Yeah. For another question, maybe you can put it in the next meeting. So what I can say for our meeting today is thank you so much ya dari Kak Ian. Terima kasih banget buat teman-teman yang hadir dari hari ini ya. Yang seperti yang Kak Ian bilang, kalau di sini tujuannya teman-teman kayak kondisi kalau buat program bahasa Inggris untuk online itu profit pertemuannya bagusnya berapa sih? Paling bagus itu di atas 20 pertemuan. Karena di atas 20 pertemuan itu kalian nggak akan lagi belajar grammar, nggak akan belajar tenses, lebih ke elaboration speaking, kayak debate, kayak presentation, kayak storytelling, kayak reportment. Nah, itu kalau sudah di atas 20 pertemuan tuh kalian udah di luar materi tenses and grammar sih. Itu kalau pengen bagus banget buat bahasa Inggrisnya gitu. That's it ya. Okay, everyone. That's all from me
Sir,
about
one question, sir.
What's the question before I close? What's the question?
Ya, gimana sih kita membedakan arti dari kata right yang biasanya diartikan betul atau kanan gitu kan? Sementara kan tuh ya gimana tuh?
Okay, Febri, it's really easy to say so. So kalau pengen bilang benar, all right ya, all right, don't say right ya. Kalau right udah pasti dia mikir kanan, kanan, what do you mean kanan, right, gitu. Jadi gini tulisannya ya, kayak ketik dulu ya, ben nggak salah gitu ya kan, cenah. Okay, this is how you say benar, all right, don't say right. Kalau pengen bilang benar ya jangan bilang right. Kalau bilang right ini kalau ada kalimat tambahan, misalkan your answer is right, gitu. Baru kalau bentuk kan benernya tuh kan pengen bentuknya respon kan, jawaban kan, reaksi kan. Nah itu Febrian jawabnya alright, itu responnya. Tapi kalau bentuk long sentence-nya ya tadi kayak your answer is right or is correct gitu. Paham ya Febrian?
Oke, sir. Thanks, sir.
Oke, jadi bedain ya alright sama right-nya penggunaannya. Oke, that's all about our Kipo class program, everyone.
Sir,
Ya, Edi, what else?
Kita mau nanya, kalau misalnya nih kita dapat pertanyaan ya, ini kan kalau nunggu meeting kan kita nggak tahu kapan nih. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya kita ada pertanyaan, apakah kita bisa menggunakan WA chat pribadi gitu loh?
Oh, admin always open the question actually. Jadi teman-teman bisa nanya apapun ya kan. Di grup yang udah disediain admin, itu fast respon. Bentuk pertanyaan apapun insya Allah akan dibantu admin kok. Dan selalu ada komunikasi di situ, Eddie, actually.
Oh, gitu
Whatever
ya.
the question you guys want to ask, ya. Every
Misalnya
single
calling
question.
bisa kah, Sir?
What do you mean calling? You want to sleep call or something?
No, sleep
Oh,
call.
okay. In another way, ya. Okay.
Karena kalau lewat telepon atau lewat tanya langsung kan lebih enak, lebih paham.
Oke.
Kalau lewat teks doang tuh masih bingung loh kadang-kadang.
Masih kayak imagining ya kan. Oke, I do. Kan paham Pak. Biasanya itu orang-orang yang belajarnya lebih ke interaktif learning. Nggak apa-apa. That's it. I know the situation. Yeah, Eddie, that's how you solve the problem. Yeah, if any question, just put it on the group. The admin will follow up with everything. That's it. Well, guys, so sorry with this situation. Yeah, I take a longer time, all of you. I do believe you guys still want having dinner with a family, yeah, or with your boyfriend or girlfriend. I don't know, but I'm single. So that's all. Let's close our lesson today by praying Hamdalah, Alhamdulillah, Alamin. Thank you for coming, yeah. And if you're still curious with this class, you can chit chat the admin, yeah, not me actually. Yeah, but I'm waiting all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Thank
wabarakatuh. Thanks, sir.
you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you,
you too.
Mister.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Dina,
Good
Dina.
night.
Thank you
Thank you, sir.
Andy. Thank you
Good
Febrian.
night,
Thank
Mister.
you Rian,
Thanks, sir.
Imelda. Thank you so much for helping me for today. Yeah,
Thank you,
You're
sir.
welcome.
for helping me actually. All of you. Rian also. Gandhi, where is Gandhi ya? Gandhi itu
Yes, sir.
dari first batch ya. Gandhi itu yang paling lama sih di sini sebenarnya. Dia dari first batch tahun kemarin sih. Kalau Gandhi ya. Kalau Rian kayaknya every single program you always here ya. Rian, I seems like this is not your first time actually. I know you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope all of you here will not get bored ya. Will not get it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you everyone. Having dinner. Yeah, having dinner.